Hello everyone and welcome back, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to download voice from ElevenLabs in mobile. So let's just begin. First, what we need to do is simply head over to your text to speech section and make sure that you have generated an audio itself. And let's just say you generated but you cannot download it. So before we move forward, you can head over to the link in the description below to get 50% off onto their pricing and plans. So you can generate a lot of audio and they will be professional because you're going to be using the pricing, the plans basically that they offer, and they unlock professional audio. So what you need to do is simply head over to this little history option, and from there you can see we have this download option. So you simply need to click on that. You can even download your previously generated audios, and that is going to be providing you the downloaded version of your voice. That's how easy it is. See you in the next video.